Hello, this is Captain Ron. We're here with Kurt Gowdy on Whitewater Sports 2022, first day of the year. And we have all-star defensive end Keith Hatch from the Pittsburgh Steelers.
Happy New Year, boys and girls.
How about that, huh? We've already caught 4 fish. What's the poor people doing today? They're not out here in this lake fishing, except for that one guy standing in the water over there. I don't know what the hell he's doing. We have the 1956 Evinrude. And we're taking this out for a test ride while we're out here, and it started right up, and it's running beautiful. It's probably going to go on sale in time for the Antique Boat Regatta. Let's see if we can give it a start here. First foot. Where are we going, Keith? Okay, we got the 7 miles an hour. Fully loaded boat. Got Captain Keith on here with Captain Ron. Lots of boxes, 2 batteries, 6 power motors, gas tank. We got everything on here with the kitchen sink.
Captain Ron is here. So what do we got here? He said motor in a box. That sounds familiar.
Where's this going?
This light right here. Well, I'll take care of it after
the hood pops off, but I got a whole new.
And that thing runs?
Yep.
Good.
Anything you need on here, I got spare.
Cool, man.
Except the block.
What'd you do to it so far?
Nothing.
Captain Ron brings me motors. I guess that's going to be the name of this video. This little puppy, man, is in exquisite shape. 6-horse. Look at the paint job. You know, look at the decal. Anyway, this is the motor in the box. It's totally, completely dismantled. Broken rings. Then I've got this puppy, 6-horse. No idea what year, anything yet. He says it runs. I don't know. Let's pull it out and fire it up. All right, look at there. Talk about caked up in grease. Jeez, Beazle. Man, is that from grease being pumped in there or from coming out of the outboard? I mean, from, you know what I mean. What is that, man? Come on. This is a job for Mr. Pressure Washer. And that's usually one of the first things I do is just beat the hell out of these things with the pressure washer. But mine ain't here right now. Look at them plugs. We go AC Smelco. So we'll see if she fires up. There's my mark on the cam. It's off. Same thing, pull the cam out a little bit. Even looks a little bit wore. Handle's right on start position. Choke is on. Alright, here we go. Yeah, she runs. There's one. Half. Give it a couple more pulls. And nothing happens. Check the spark. Nothing happened. Let's see what we got here. Oh yeah, that was good spark. So we're looking at a fuel issue. Let's just dump some fuel right in that damn cylinder. What I just do is just dump this thing right in the gas and stick it in there. Gotta do quick. Here you go. Might be too wet. That was a good spark. Oh, wait a minute. Let me put, I had the throttle all the way down on stop. Hold on. It's going all the way down by itself. Ouch. Well, that didn't work. Why? Too wet? Yeah, too wet. Try it again. Come on, baby, get in there. God, let's go. What are you doing? The damn thing is stuck. See, that's the kind of crap you got to edit out if you do these kind of things. Oh God! Yeah, this handle is moving all by itself. Look, it goes all the way down to kill. There's no kill, but you know what I mean. Oh yeah, it runs. Alright, I put the compression tester on there. Let's see what it's showing. That's on the top, 2 pulls. It's up to 70. Yeah, it's up to 70 on 2 pulls. Oh, just right under 90. What was that, 4 pulls? Give it one more. She hit 90. She hit it a couple more times just for the hell of it. Nope, 90. Stuck on 90, which is great. Just drizzle a little bit. Both of them. Move these plug wires out of the way. Pump it up. That should be good. Move these puppers back in. Come on, baby. Fire. They're just hand tight. Wow. Wow. Why? Why in the fire? Why in the fire? Oh yeah, too much up. I gotta blow it out more than that. Too much. Blow it out again. That was a little more than I usually pour in there. And I usually just do 1 cylinder. Alright, I don't see any mist coming out. Usually you see, you know, a mist. It should fire. Ooh, almost. See, as soon as I pull on it, man, the whole thing goes down, closes the carb. Look at, talk about play. Look at all that play. I mean, it's just so typical with these things, you know. I think it's going to fire right up right now. Almost. She does run. With a little effort. Didn't sound too bad. So, well, one more rain band came through. Started pouring. Had to run for cover. But if this was my motor, something I was keeping, I would replace this with something more updated, you know, an updated version where it has the stop screw, the idle screw, you know, so this thing doesn't come all the way down. And you can also put a kill switch in it. Every time I pull it, the whole thing moves. You gotta figure out why. Just not enough. Look at this. Look how loose that is. But that's what I would do if this was my Momo on the cam. Now you see right here, this thing doesn't move at all. And then you can see right here where it's shiny. Kind of looks wore. And then you see when it comes around right there is a timing mark on it, and it don't hit that at all. Why doesn't this thing move like every other freaking cam I ever seen? I'm gonna take that nut all the way out, or a little bolt I made, and see what's going on. Alright, I loosened the little bolt, and now that it's down like that, watch it now, look. See how much it's moving? But when it gets back up to the top, it don't want to go nowhere. It doesn't seem to have the same amount of travel as down here, look. Why? What the heck is it hitting? Ah, man, it's always something stupid, right? So you see the notch. Now it's sliding without the bolt in there. Something weird here. Is it bent somewhere or something? No. And then the other thing too, problem, is this. See all that blacky wacky? Might need a seal up there. Does it really need these washers? You know, I don't think I've ever seen one with washers on it before. Is that part of the problem? Let's see what happens without the washer. I think I've got it all the way out. I can't go no farther. Oh yeah, it is. It's right on the money there. Aha! But I would rather have this thing stop instead of going all the way down there, because I mean look, the carburetor, it's closed, and it's still closed until it hits that cam. I don't know, let's fire it up again. See, this thing, the whole thing goes all the way down to stop, and it won't run until that stops happening. I'll put it way up on high speed. There it goes, right back down again. It's all over the place. And I can't do that left-handed. Try it again. It's pumping water. See? Shoots all the way over here. That is no good. Look at it, look at it. That's how much play is in this one. This needs to come out and be fixed before you really do anything with it. Here's an old trick with the choke. It's doing like that. Get it up there running. Pull the choke real quick, open and close it. You know, if there's anything stuck in the car, sometimes it'll suck it through. Oh, come on, baby. Sometimes. Oh, I can't pull this thing left-handed. It's not working for me. Alright, well, we know it runs. I just wanted to see it. This needs fixed. Yeah, pulling that left-handed did not work for me. So we're looking at tune-up. This all needs repaired.
Oh yeah, baby, next time on this old outboard.
Alright, baby, it's this old outboard, the 1968 6-horse Evinrude, and got it up to run. So I think basically tear everything apart, give her a nice tune-up, check everything out, clean the car, just typical. Boom. First thing you want to do when you get an outboard in this kind of condition, start cleaning it up. All said and done, check the oil in the gear case. So let's get to work, baby. I need to get me a knob. Glenn, you out there?
You know the channel. Oh yeah, baby.